Hey guys, this is Julie Willits here, and I want to go over what Funnelxroi is. Now, I am involved with a primary company called Easy One Up, but we use Funnelxroi to go ahead and promote this product. And the reason being is that the funnel actually has the chance for you to have 5 streams of income from this actual funnel. So let me go ahead and share with you what that is. So your primary one, of course, is Easy One Up. Now, if you have an existing account with Easy One Up, that's fine. You would just have your login information and connect it here to your funnel. Now, the next thing we have is Now Lifestyle. Now Lifestyle is actually a health and fitness program, but it is offering for this actual funnel to have an autoresponder built in for you. And we also have the creator of the funnel, David Deacle, to actually send out the emails on a daily basis to our subscribers, which is really cool. Now, the next thing we have that you're able to get set up in Funnelxroi is what they call the ROI panel. Now, this is a tracking system that you can opt in to actually use for any type of business that you want. You create a link, it's going to track it for you. You can use that link with solo ads. You can use it with Facebook. You can actually put tracking codes onto your own website or funnels or anything else that you may have that you want to track, okay? The pay per lead system is something you can get for free in the beginning. Actually, you can just stay at that actual free, and you have, every time somebody opts in, you get paid $1. Now you can upgrade, and which I have not done that. And of course, if you do upgrade, then of course you will be compensated a lot more than $1, obviously. So the other thing we have in here is advertising boost. I'm not sure where is that showing up here, but I think it's integrating your bonuses. So advertising boost is a very cool system that offers you, let me just see if I can get in there to advertising boost. But anyway, this advertising boost is a really cool system because you can offer free resort stays to anybody that you would like. Okay, so we have a huge Facebook group for this actual company, and let me just go ahead and log in. Okay, so you can give out certificates, you can give out, we also have restaurant vouchers that you can actually hand out. You can print and hand them out. We have all types of resources in the back office. You have, if you have ClickFunnels, you can actually integrate the ClickFunnels, and they have lots of actual funnels that you can use back there for all kinds of businesses, whether it's a brick and mortar business, you can be a realtor, you can be a physician, you can have insurance company. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. We have all kinds of, not just the funnels itself. Let me see if I can get back here. I don't want that. Okay. The other resources we have, of course, are just videos that you can actually, put up into one of your pages, your Facebook page, maybe your Instagram, different things that you can do to use as an incentive for any type of customer that you may have. And it's not difficult to get this all integrated. Now, whether you just want to use Advertising Boost or whether you want to use Funnelx with your Easy One Up and have it all together, all in one funnel, which is what I have, which I find that is very powerful. And not only are you using a digital marketing system such as Easy One Up that is teaching people how to use the online space for their business to increase their actual business. Maybe they are brick and mortar. Maybe they're trying to break into the online space. They haven't really been able to do it. They're unsure of what the action should be doing. They don't want to be paying somebody thousands of dollars to do this. An Easy One Up can actually teach you that. And then having this system where all you have to do is really drive traffic, and then people can take a look at your offer, and everything is explained to them. David Deacle does such a great job in going step by step in setting everything up for this system. There is no way that anyone could actually get lost, because not only does he help you go through each step and set everything up, he also makes sure that it's tested and tells you exactly what to do to make sure it is properly set up. So I am going to post some links in there. Of course, number one being my Funnelx information. Number two, I will put something in there for Advertising Boost, because this is something that, you can give these resort stays away. And let me just also show you, we have things to Cancun, we have things to Puerto Penasco, Mazatlan, Nueva Vallarta, Orlando, Las Vegas, Branson, Missouri, Williamsburg, Pennsylvania, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Acapulco, Tenerife, and I don't even know how to say that, and I'm not sure where that is. Phuket, Thailand, Myrtle Beach, Daytona, Bali. You can give these away to anyone you want. The only thing is they will have 7 days to pay the taxes, and that is all they are required to pay right now. Now, when they do take this vacation or they book this resort, they will be required to pay whatever the resort fees are. And that's pretty much basic across the board. With anybody, you have to pay resort fees, and it's usually not included in anything that you pay for upfront. And once they do that, they have a year to use it. So, people can plan. And that's what it's all about. Going and seeing and doing things with their families and having a great time. And what better way to do it? So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little bit of information here of what I am doing. And I think that this is just a great tool and incentive for people that are in MLMs, network marketing, like I said, brick and mortar businesses. We have a lot of chiropractors, we have physicians that are, and dentists that are using this to actually reward their clients, patients, and customers. So I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to check in the description for all the links. Okay guys, have a great one. Bye now.